Hello everybody. Today I have come up with a new lesson known as the transportation of materials. Okay. Some of them funny pictures here. This amoeba capturing its food. Next, this is the human circulatory system. Okay. Human circulatory system. This is the heart and heart. Mm, also a picture of heart. Uh, it's not so important. It's the veins. These are very important pictures. Uh, say this is the red blood cells, white blood cells. This is the schematic diagram of the path of the blood. Stethoscope, and this is very important. This is the human excretory system. Okay, this is the dialysis. This is a person with dialysis. Okay, and you can draw this. Uh, Now this is the plant's transportation system. Okay, so also plant's transportation system, and this is not so important. Just read the lesson thoroughly to get yourself understand what the lesson means. Okay, and very thoroughly 2 3 times every time. Okay, I'm going to definitions and a circulatory system. Okay, a transport system in animals that move substances throughout the body with the help of blood. Hurdle means circular system, a transport system in animals that move substance throughout the body with the help of blood. Okay, vascular tissue, the transport system in plants that transport water, minerals, food materials within the plant body. Okay, vascular tissue transport system in plant that transports water, minerals, and food materials within the plant body. Arteries, blood vessels that take blood away from the heart. Blood vessels that take blood away from the heart. Okay, veins, blood vessels that bring blood toward the heart from all parts of the body. Blood vessels that bring blood towards the heart from all parts of the body. Okay. Veins, blood vessels that bring blood toward the heart from all parts of the body. Okay, arteries, blood vessels that take blood away from the heart. Okay, capillaries, the smallest blood vessels are known as capillaries. Okay, the smallest blood vessels are known as capillaries. Okay, blood, a red color fluid which flows inside the blood vessels. Okay, red color fluid which flows inside the blood vessels. Heartbeat, regular rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart. Regular rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart. Okay, stethoscope, an instrument which measures the heartbeat. Dialysis, a method of separating toxic substances from the blood when the kidneys are unable to do so. Okay, xylem, a vascular tissue for transport of water and minerals within the mm, in plants. Okay, vascular tissue for transport of water and minerals in plants. Okay, phloem, the vascular tissue that transports food in plants. Okay, phloem, the vascular tissue that transports food in plants. Transpiration, the process by which plants lose water in the vapor form from their leaves. Okay, transpiration, the process by which plants lose water and vapor from the leaves. So read all the definitions from 2 3 times and then write in the notebook. Okay, so that it could be learned from for a long time. Definition is very important. Will be very useful in when you will become when you will grown up also. Okay. Now we are going to answer in one word. Now, so I see my lab notebook first. Main pictures I have drawn. Okay. See, this is the heart. It's a big heart, a big heart, human heart. And this is the human circulatory system. So this is the arteries, veins, and capillaries. Stethoscope, and it's the excretory system. Okay. We're going to the answer in one words or few words. What is the carrier of oxygen? Match the two columns. Carrier of oxygen is hemoglobin. Okay, carrier of oxygen, hemoglobin. Liquid part of the blood, plasma. Liquid part of the blood, plasma. Blood vessels which fight against infection. Blood vessels fight against infection. It's known as the oh, white blood cells. Okay, white blood cells. Pumping organ, that is heart. Pumping organ, that is heart. Toxic to organism, waste products. Toxic to organisms, waste products. Transpiration, traumata. Transpiration stomata. Okay. Arteries and veins, fill in the blanks. Arteries and veins are joined by network of capillaries. Okay, and veins are joined by network of capillaries. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation and expansion of the heart is known as heartbeat. Rhythmic contraction and expansion of heart is known as heartbeat. Okay. Water and salt are eliminated during sweating. Okay, water and salt are eliminated during sweating. Kidneys eliminate the waste materials in a liquid form known as urine. Okay, kidneys eliminate the waste products in liquid form called urine. Okay, water pulled up by in the trees by suction pull caused by transpiration. Water is pulled up in the trees by suction pull caused by transpiration. Okay, crossford puzzle. Food conducting tissue in plant that is phloem. Food conducting tissue in plant that is phloem. They make contraction and expansion of the heart, the heartbeat. They make contraction and expansion of the heart is known as heartbeat. Technique used for removing toxic materials from the blood when kidneys are not at functioning. Dialysis. Technique used for removing toxic materials from the blood when kidneys are not functioning is dialysis. Pigment in red blood cells, it is hemoglobin. Pigment in red blood cell is hemoglobin. Okay. Muscular organ present inside the chest cavity taking part in transport of the blood. Muscular organ present in the chest cavity part in the transport of blood, that is heart. Okay, the heart. Lots of water vapor and vapor from the list is transpiration. Okay, this transpiration. Upper two chambers of the heart. Upper two chambers of the heart is mm, auricles. Okay, or atrium. Water conducting tissue in plants, that is xylem. Removal of waste materials from the body. Removal of waste materials from the body, that is known as excretion. Wait, let me see. What is this? 17 number. Excretion. Correct. Okay. Being shape structure taking part in excretion kidney. Okay, blood vessels which carry CO2 reach blood from different parts of the body, fine, which carry CO2 reach blood is veins. Okay, veins. Term for lower chambers of the heart, ventricles. Okay, ventricles. Throbbing of arteries, pulse. Okay, throbbing of arteries, pulse. Fluid flowing in blood vessels. Fluid flowing in blood vessels is known as blood. Okay, blood. The blood vessels carry oxygen rich blood from the heart, that's known as arteries. Okay, arteries. Okay, for fluid part of the blood, that is plasma. Fluid part of the blood, like this plasma. Tissue in plants which transports water, nutrients, and food. Tissue in plants which transport water, nutrients, and food. It's known as vascular tissue. Okay, vascular tissue. Channels in which blood flow. Channels in which blood flows. It's known as blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels. Flying blood vessel which forms a connection with arteries and veins, that is known as capillaries. Okay, known as capillaries. Now we are going to transportation. What brief answers. Why is transportation of materials necessary in organism? Transportation of materials necessary because to transport food, water, and gases from one part of the body to remove waste products. Okay, regulatory system to transport substance within the body. Okay, heart to circulate blood within the body, blood to transport oxygen from the lungs to the body cells to remove waste products in the blood clotting. Okay, to help in blood clotting. Okay, RBCs to carry oxygen, WBCs to fight infection. Okay, platelets to help in clotting of blood, stomata to remove waste products from the body, kidney to absorb useful substances into the blood. Okay, to absorb useful substances into the blood. Nephron to filter waste products from the blood. Nephron to filter waste products from the blood. Ureter to carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. Ureter to carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. Okay, urinary bladder stores urine. Urinary bladder stores urine. Okay, and sweating to regulate body temperature and keep the body cool. Sweating to regulate body temperature, keep the body cool. Dialysis to separate toxic materials from the blood when kidneys are unable to do so. Dialysis to separate toxic materials from the blood when kidneys are unable to do so. Okay. uh, uh, Xylem transport water and minerals in the plant. Okay, phloem transport food from the leaves to the plant. Transpiration to help in lots of water and exchange of gases. Why is blood needed for all parts of the body? Blood is needed for all parts of the body because it transports food and oxygen to all parts of the body cells and carries waste products and carbon dioxide uh, for removal from the body. Okay. um, how is heartbeat measured? Heartbeat is heard using an instrument called a stethoscope. Okay. Heartbeat is heard using an instrument known as stethoscope. Why it is necessary to excrete waste products? And it's necessary to excrete waste products because they are not useful to the body. They are often toxic. Okay. What is the importance of sweating? Importance of sweating: it helps in removal of urea, salts, and excess water. It helps to regulate body temperature. Okay. Select the odd one out by giving following reasons. Phloem is presently higher in plants. Heart. Heart is not a blood vessel. Blood, it is not a type of blood cells. It takes place in transport of food. The heart is not a part of excretory system. Today's this much only. Read the lesson thoroughly with the question answers, and you may stick the question answers in the center of your question answers page, which can be useful for reading easily. Okay. uh, read the lesson thoroughly, draw the diagram. Bye bye. Do share, like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment. Okay. Bye everybody.